Hi guys, welcome to my new video and back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about something new. We didn't do that before because we hadn't situation like this before. Today I found e-scooter roller, how you call it, I don't know, that's Electrofeinsteinsteuerung. It doesn't matter. But what's really happening? I saw that this thing cost around 300 euro, more or less, and this guy sold me for 50. So something smells really bad. I don't know what's happening, but the seller was really kind. He said that this scooter just stopped, doesn't work and all that, blah blah blah, and he took my money and everything. But when I came home, I saw something strange. I will show you. First, I checked the battery. It's really low. I tried to charge it and I don't get any voltage here. So I thought maybe something really happening here. When I opened, I saw that all wires are cut. Seller told me that this scooter was working, everything was well, everything was good, and just suddenly pop, stopped. So he lied to me. He lied to me really bad, but we'll try to repair it. Maybe we succeed. So you can see all cables are cut. So I will try to reconnect them. Okay. So we have red, green, yellow we don't have, purple we don't have, blue we have. No, that doesn't match. I need to take these two wires, charging wires. I will separate them. I can put this thing inside and I will try to find which cables are for charging here. Where are you? Here. We will find these wires. Okay, this is for charging. Gray one and purple. Gray and purple. This is for charging. We will find out which is plus and minus a little later. Now I need to focus on this another few wires. So this is charging and we have 4 wires here and 6 wires there. So exactly. What exactly? We can take a risk. Sometimes we have luck, sometimes we don't have luck. Sometimes suck. Let's do it. Red, green to green. I don't know exactly what these two wires do. So we have blue, we have black. I will put it on black. And we have white and yellow. Okay. Risk is too big. We can burn this board with display and controller, and I don't know. What should I do? I will do it. I will turn the display another way so I can see. Okay, what's happening if I plug this thing here? And when I press this button, nothing. Why? Yes, batteries empty. I need to find out which is plus and minus so I can put this scooter on charge. As we can see, we have already red and black, and here we have brown and white. If I put that like this inside, so white is plus. Wait, white? No, that's white, and there is gray. That's interesting. So let's check one more time. Is it white or no? how is this? Yes, because of this adapter, because of that is another color. We know now that white is plus, so gray is plus. Here we can see red, white. White is plus 2. Okay. Okay. Now we will try the chargings. So I don't know. I checked the battery and it's really low. Oh, we have 14 volts. I don't know. Some chargers won't charge if battery is so low, and we'll try it. I'm sorry. Excuse me, please. Do you like my setup? I made it. It's not so nice, but it's changing colors. So this is my laptop, speakers, so that needs to go right there. So it's nice. I really like these lights back and inside. And now the moment of the truth. It's coming for you. Let's put these cables together, bro. This one goes there. This one goes there. And action. Charger is here. Green light is on. If I put that here inside, it's gonna explode. So pray for me, people. Hey, just pray and nothing. There's nothing to say. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Okay. It's red, so it's charging. That's nice. That's really nice from you. But here we can't see really nothing here. Hey, wait. The charger is green. Battery full charger, something like that. No, it's not full. I took this out and again in, and again it's red. But here nothing happens. Look here. Look this thing. Again it's green. So battery is dead. That I can tell. I took this battery from another scooter because it's very low, and I don't know, this was full, 42 volts, and I connected, but nothing happened, and I saw that I have problem here. I repaired it, I connected it, and the lights showed on, but nothing happened there. And I disconnect everything. And what I exactly did, I was not lazy to check all wires which goes from this side to that side. I checked them all, and colors are so mixed, and probably I made big mistake, huge mistake, because maybe this board is not working anymore because the wires are so mixed. So red is not plus, black is not minus, and all that. I want to see what is gonna happen. It's gonna be interesting when it's everything okay. So that's gonna be good. But when something explode, it's gonna be interesting too. Yes. So as you can see here, I need to show you. From this cable come another colors. For example, plus is green, and minus is yellow. That's really interesting. And black, which should be minus, it's nothing. Black and white are just there. So let's try. Let's see what is gonna happen. Okay. Oh, spark. I don't know, did you hear that? But now, okay. did wrong? These two lights was blinking, but now nothing, and there is no smoke. Oh. So there is no smoke. That's nothing happening. Let's try. Nothing. It's dead. Oh, this guy took my money. But I like risks. So. Oh, I saw light. Did you saw it? Here. But nothing happens. Really nothing. When I hold. Oh! No way, man! No way! No way! No way, man! Okay, I found correct fires. That's. Cheers for that. So, let's go further. Now we have that's on, and we have light here, and we can have light here on the back. So let's try and give gas. Is that? And here nothing. You know, if it's not one thing, then it's another. You fix one thing and then shows another. It's that. Life is like that. Maybe. Wait. That's bad. Oh, that's changing. Can you see it? The numbers. When I spin it, it's changing. But oh, it's working. Oh, it's spinning. It's spinning. For real? Okay. Now I'm happy. Now I'm happy. Everything is okay. Oh, that's good. We repair it. Everything is working. Now we need to find all missing screws because I don't know where I let them. But it doesn't matter. It's working. So let's put this thing together and solder all wires and let's try to drive it. Now I will put just this battery like this, and everything is connected, so we're gonna try if we have some problems. Let's turn this thing up. I need to be careful because this battery is not fixed, so I need to stand on it. It's not so good, but we're gonna try it. Something, I can hear some weird noise. I will see what's that. I think the noise comes from here. Yeah, I need to fix that. It's working. We fixed this thing, and stay tuned for next thing. What's gonna happen next? What should I do? I need to repair. I need to try to repair the battery, and then we need to sell this thing. So stay subscribe to this channel, and next video will gonna be about the battery, and then selling, and we will see how much profit will be from this thing. Thanks for watching.